Welcome again to Barrett-Jackson 2019 Scottsdale. I'm Alan Taylor. My co-host for the day is going to be Seth Burgett, and he is with Gateway Bronco.
Well, the First Bronco is a unique vehicle. It was a prototype that we believe was the first V8 Bronco built by Ford. Now, it went to Carroll Shelby and Shelby American, but all of the original photography and filmmaking done for the first commercial to launch the Bronco was done with that truck. You know, it's super unique that way.
I don't think, if Seth gets mad because I do this, it's just too dang bad, isn't it?
Vinny is the second owner of the First Bronco, and Vinny paid $100 to the Carroll Shelby Ranch in Terlingua, Texas for the First Bronco.
What?
Yes, sir.
I'll give you double.
I got this Bronco while I was at Big Bend Ford. There was a ranch foreman named Harold Wynn. He would bring it to the Ford house, and we would struggle on trying to get it repaired, take it back down to the ranch. I think everybody in town got tired of working on it. I was telling Harold one day, I said, Harold, why don't you just get rid of that Bronco?
He bought the Bronco for $100 with no tires and wheels, and he used it just like any other Texan would, and he used it like a ranch truck for 40 years. He just used the truck. He didn't know it was really that special.
I'd go do things in it, but I didn't do the things that would absolutely wreck it.
And it's in great condition. It's a running and driving truck.
The way I found out it was number 00 is we always had a hard time finding the right ring gear for the flywheel for the starter.
And then over time, he realized when he was looking in the dealership book to fix his own truck that the VIN tag at the top of the dealership book had a 1 at the end. And he realized, well, mine has all zeros. That's maybe why these parts aren't fitting, because it's a prototype.
What we're trying to do here with firstbronco.com is anybody who has any information, just send us a picture. Send us a quick note online, firstbronco.com. We make it easy. All you've got to do is put in a little contact information, upload a picture. Anything that anybody has, we'll be able to receive it and then help document this historic vehicle.
Anybody who has any information could go to firstbronco.com, submit a picture that they have laying around. Tell a story of anything that they know about the Bronco so we can build as much history around this vehicle that we can.
You know, I was proud to be part of this truck, and I think I'm proud that Seth was the one to pick it up, because I think he appreciates everything I did up until he bought it, and he'll probably do the same thing I've done to it. Take care of it.